Hi, I'm Tracy Ford with RCR Wireless News, and I'm here in Seattle with Nick Macilveen from OpenMarket. And Nick, we were talking a little bit about the state of the industry today and where we are in mobile transactions and delivering content and delivering it successfully. And it seems like a while ago, there used to be a big problem with revenue leakage and overages of bills, content not delivering. Is that the state of the industry today, or have we progressed from there?
I think that OpenMarket has really spent the majority of its time focusing on transaction success rates as well as transaction integrity. And sometimes the best thing to do with a premium transaction on a wireless bill is to stop it before it starts. If a consumer has opted out for programs, or the parent has decided that their child is not capable of receiving premium content, we want to stop that transaction before it starts. In OpenMarket, we have spent a tremendous amount of time and effort making sure that that transaction is successful or it's blocked before it starts.
Good. One of the exciting things we were talking about was applications, and that is fun. It's you were calling it the Jetsons effect. What are some things that consumers can look forward to on the horizon, and what are the steps needed to get to those beyond basic alerts kind of thing? What are we looking at?
Well, some of the things that we're working on are 2D barcodes, for example, and premium WAP, as well as MMS. To give you an example about 2D barcodes, while it's a technology, essentially a more sophisticated barcode, it enables all sorts of fun things like mobile marketing, everything from a movie to information about products or services, or allowing people to interact with their different social networking sites or what have you. It enables ease of use as well as facilitates a transaction if there might be a premium transaction as part of the mobile marketing event.
Good. It seems like the space is developed in consumer-oriented transactions, ringtones, coupon for a movie or something like that. Is it moving into the enterprise market?
Absolutely, as well as companies like airlines are sending out alerts, allowing people to not only check in online, but having the actual boarding pass sent to their phone via MMS. That's really exciting. As well as companies that want to communicate two-way to their actual employees. We're seeing much more of that happen. We're seeing companies that want to give them information alerts about whether it be a package delivery company or hey, we want you to come back into the office, or it could even be banks telling their best customers that the rate has lowered, now is the time to lock in that loan. We're seeing an explosion of those types of services.
And those are one-on-one transactions, or one-to-one transactions?
One-to-one versus just a broadcast, because if I'm not interested in buying a home, a rate for a loan isn't necessarily a value to me. It's absolutely one-to-one.
Good. What should we look for in the next 6 months? What's on the horizon?
So you'll see an additional build out of MMS connections with carriers here in the United States, and more, I think, mobile content reaching consumers when and where they are every day. You'll see more and more premium WAP billing, so consumers actually purchasing content on their phone, browsing, and then in a more ease of use fashion. And really, you'll probably see more marketing, more targeted marketing and advertising in text messages, so that the consumer is able to receive content, but also marketers are able to micro-target those specific consumers. So we're really excited about that.
Thanks for your time. I appreciate talking to you.
Thanks for coming by. I appreciate it.
It's Tracy Ford for RCR Wireless News.